in nowadays, many people would like instantaneous things as coffee, no?
Mnogo ljudi danes bi radi instantne rešitve, kot obstaja instant kava.
Kava is coffee.
Yes.
Can you switch off your telephone, please?
Prosim, če izklopite telefone. Completely or just ringing?
Pa želimo si, da nas ne bi telefoni motili vmes.
It is a pity because we are certainly dealing with how to get out of the impact of karma at a certain time during the session of this afternoon.
Škoda je, ker se pravzaprav ukvarjamo s tem, da bi presegli karmo danes popoldne.
You see, this is also the reason of still the influence of Orthodox religions.
This is the reason for...
Orthodox religions, people don't want to think further. They want to have a definite definition and get okay.
To je tudi razlog, da obstajajo ortodoksne religije, ker ljudje rabijo nekoga, ki ga vodijo, to je pač tako. In
a truly religious person
resnično virna, religiozna oseba
would not stop anywhere in definitions.
Se ne bi ustavila pri nobeni definiciji.
And truly, the true religion
in resnično prava religija
is really a process to move towards the ultimate reality.
Je pravzaprav proces gibanja v smeri končne resničnosti.
It is a permanent, continuous questioning about the nature of oneself and the nature of what is reality.
To je stalno in neprestano spraševanje in iskanje, kaj je ta končna resničnost.
But we need not to come back to this. We are dealing with karma today.
Ampak danes ne gremo v to smer, ukvarjamo se s karmo.
But the same process of the mind is the same.
Proces razumevanja, proces uma je pa isti.
Very, very often the mind is lazy.
Pogosto je len.
So it wants to have a definite answer.
Hoče imeti dokončni odgovor.
And then keep on with this definite answer.
In vzdrževati ta dokončni odgovor.
So that it should not be involved in the research process, so that it wish to be left alone.
Ja, in noče se ukvarjati z raziskovanjem in hoče, da se ga pusti pri miru.
But life is never definite.
Življenje pa nikoli ni dokončno, definitivno.
Nothing is definite.
Nič ni pravzaprav dokončno.
Even death is not definite.
Tudi smrt ne.
Yeah, we tend to think that death is finished, over.
Mislimo, da je po smrti vsega konec.
But it is not over. There is a number of processes going on after death.
Vendar se tudi po smrti odvijajo različni procesi.
Even for the physical body.
Tudi za fizično telo.
The decomposition of the physical body is a process.
Tudi razpadanje fizičnega telesa samega je proces.
So life is always living.
Življenje večno živi. Living in the meaning of life. Living. Or...
Alive.
Okay.
Living in that sense.
Okay.
Yes. So nothing definite. And the intelligence is to move with this movement in order not to miss life.
In inteligenca je, da se gibljemo skladno s tem, da tega življenja ne bi zamudili.
As soon as we live with definite definitions, as soon as we live with definite definitions,
takoj, ko začnemo živeti te definitivne, dokončne definicije,
the mind is no longer functioning.
ne deluje več.
So in a sense, the mind is done,
V nekem smislu je potem otopel
and after some time, we turn out to be living deads,
in po nekem času smo potem živi mrtveci.
meaning walking, eating, sleeping, whatever, but
The-
the mind stops functioning.
Živimo, spimo, jemo, vendar ne deluje.
There are many living deads on earth.
In na zemlji je mnogo živih mrtvecev.
You can observe it in many occasions.
To lahko opazujete v mnogih okoliščinah.
All the wolves and all those who are howling with the wolves, they are already dead.
Vsi volkovi, simbolično rečeno, in tisti, ki tulijo z volkovi, oni so že mrtvi.
At a certain level of life, they no longer exist.
Na nekem nivoju življenjskem ne obstajajo več.
Now, karma is also life,
Karma je tudi življenje
and it is never fixed forever.
in ni nikoli dokončno urejeno.
It is absolutely a living process,
To je življenjski
in the
proces,
sense that the past made the present,
v smislu, da preteklost ustvarja prihodnost,
and the present,
sedanjost, pardon,
the present makes the future.
in sedanjost ustvarja prihodnost.
Now, if nothing happens in the present,
Če se nič ne zgodi v sedanjosti,
the past will repeat itself
se bo preteklost ponavljala.
as long as there is no action
Tako
in the
dolgo,
present.
dokler ni nobenega delovanja več v sedanjosti.
What was
Nekaj drugega hotela reči.
Kaj?
Dokler ni nekega dejanja v sedanjosti, ki bo to presekal, ne? To ponavljanje.
Se bo, torej, dokler ni nekega dejanja v sedanjosti, ki to ponavljanje preseka, se potem prihodnost ponavlja. Preteklost ponavlja.
the past
Preteklost
is past.
je preteklost.
There is no fiction whatsoever to come back to the past and to rectify things so that the present is different. It is fiction.
Se pravi, ni možnosti, da bi šli v preteklost in nekaj popravili. Zato je to
Fiction.
fikcija, domišljija. Ja.
What is done is done.
Kar je narejeno, kar
And
je
you
bilo
cannot
narejeno,
dream about
je
it.
narejeno.
You
And-
cannot dream about
In o tem
modification of the past.
in ne moremo sanjati, da lahko v preteklosti kaj spremenimo.
We should know about this for sure.
To bi zagotovo morali
So
vedeti.
that there should not be any possibility of escaping.
Da ne bi si domišljali, da imamo kakšno možnost izhoda tukaj.
So the past is done.
Preteklost je narejena,
It produces a certain consequences.
ustvarja določene posledice
Consequences are in the present.
in te posledice imamo v sedanjosti.
Each one of us is the result of our past.
Vsak od nas je rezultat
Okay?
naše preteklosti.
Now what we are doing now will produce the future.
To pa, kar delamo zdaj, bo ustvarilo za nas
It cannot change
prihodnost.
the past.
Ne more pa preteklosti
One
spremeniti.
cannot pretend that one is changing the past.
Nihče si ne more domišljati, da lahko spremeni
But
preteklost.
one is fully in power to change the future by acting in the present.
Ima pa popolno moč vsak, da spremeni prihodnost z svojim delovanjem v sedanjosti.
When I mention past,
Ko rečem preteklost,
naturally I include past lives.
to seveda vključuje pretekla življenja.
Not only the past in this life,
Ne samo preteklost v tem našem tekočem življenju.
Of course, in this life, if we are lazy from the beginning and we continue to be lazy, of course nothing happened in the life, and then we should not blame how is it that I cannot have what I need for living. Oh, it is normal in one life, we can understand.
Se pravi, če smo znotraj tega našega sedanjega življenja leni in smo še kar naprej leni, potem ni čudno, da nimamo stvari, ki bi jih radi imeli na voljo za recimo udobnejše življenje.
So when I said that I include past lives, I want to warn you that at a certain time of our meeting here, we will be dealing with reincarnations.
In ko sem rekla pretekla življenja, sem hotela tudi povedati, da se bomo malo kasneje ukvarjali tudi z reinkarnacijo.
So when I say past, it means past lives also.
In tako, da ko bom rekla preteklost, bo to pomenilo ne samo preteklost v tem življenju, ampak tudi pretekla življenja.
But what binds us
Kar nas pa veže
to the process of life,
na proces življenja,
binds us to the past.
nas tudi veže na preteklost.
Don't you think that it is just habits of thinking, speech and acting? It is a matter of habits.
Se vam ne zdi, da je to tudi stvar navad glede mišljenja, česa še? Govorjenja, glede navad na splošno.
And the habits that we had in the past
In pa navad, ki smo jih imeli v preteklosti,
have built up our character.
in te navade so zgradile naš značaj.
And our character will build up our destiny.
Ta naš značaj pa bo ustvaril, zgradil našo usodo.
Meaning that logically,
To pomeni, da logično,
if we want to change our destiny,
če želimo spremeniti svojo
we have
usodo,
to change the character.
moramo spremeniti značaj.
And if we want to change the character in order to change the destiny,
In če želimo spremeniti svoj karakter z namenom, da bi spremenili svojo usodo,
we have to change the habit.
moramo spremeniti
We
svoje
can-
navade.
We cannot start at the end, we have to start at the beginning.
Ne moremo začeti na koncu, začeti moramo na začetku.
A person who is easily angry,
Oseba, ki se zlahka ujezi,
easily emotionally aroused,
ki se zlahka čustveno razburi,
can create the character of being always angry in the mode of always agitation.
lahko razvije navado, da je neprestano čustveno razburjena.
This person cannot build up a destiny different from anger.
In takšna oseba ne more zgraditi usode, ki se razlikuje od jeze, ki je drugačna od jeze.
It is like that for all. It is universal law.
In to velja za vse, ker je to univerzalni zakon.
If you want to get out of the scheme of this prison,
Če
you have to
želimo,
get out of it by changing the habits.
če želimo shemo, ki bo drugačna od tega zapora, potem moramo spremeniti navade.
Because if one wants to be a student of spirituality,
Če želi nekdo biti študent
of theosophy,
duhovnosti na duhovni poti oziroma študent teozofije,
one cannot say, I am like that,
ne more reči, kar jaz sem pa tak
and I cannot change.
in se ne morem spremeniti.
So it is absurd.
To je absurdno.
I want to be always the same, meaning full of anger, etc., and I want to have another destiny.
Želim sicer drugo usodo, ampak hočem pa vseeno ostati poln jeze in čustveno vzburjen.
It is like you want to cook rice, but the pot is empty, and you say, I am happy with the empty pot, but I want to eat rice.
To je isto, kot če hočeš
This is absurd, isn't it?
jesti riž Imaš pa samo lonec, ki je prazen.
I think that everybody can understand that.
Mislim, da vsi lahko to razumete.
And if there is no understanding for this and acceptation of it, there is resistance from this so strongly built up habit that there are more difficulties to make the change.
In če nekdo ni sposoben tega razumeti in sprejeti, potem obstaja ta navada in pa upiranje spremembi.
So, one cannot change in the past because it is done. One cannot foresee the future because it does not happen yet. But one can orientate the future by acting in the present.
Okay. Če, I lost the...
Yeah. The past is done.
Preteklost je kakršna je.
No one can change the past.
Nihče je ne more spremeniti.
Otherwise it is just magicians putting up illusions.
Sicer je to samo neka magija, ki jo lahko mag naredi z iluzionizmom.
And we are not interested in it.
In to nas ne zanima.
We are not interested in virtualities and in
Yes.
illusions. We are interested with reality.
In to nas ne zanima, zanima nas resničnost.
So really speaking, no one can change the past.
Torej, nihče ne more spremeniti preteklosti
And very rare can foresee the future.
in zelo redko kdo lahko predvideva,
But
kakšna bo
everyone-
prihodnost.
Everyone can make the future change
Vsak pa lahko spremeni,
by acting rightly now in the present.
povzroči, da se prihodnost spremeni s tem, da pravilno deluje zdaj.
If for one reason or another
Iz enega ali drugega razloga,
there is no action in the present,
če iz enega ali drugega razloga
The
ni
future-
delovanja v sedanjosti,
the future will be the repetition of the past.
bo prihodnost ponavljanje preteklosti.
Because it is using the same channels of the habits
Ker
going on forever.
uporablja iste kanale in jih channels of the navad, iste kanale navad, zato se to ponavlja.
It's not that. Or you say, oh, we just imagine the future as we like. There is a theory like that. Eh?
Ja, obstaja tudi teorija.
The secret, no?
Ja.
It's called the secret. No?
Ja,
I don't know what it's called, but I found it stupid.
ta teorija se imenuje skrivnost in je njeno mnenje, da je neumna.
It's just like game and play with stupid people.
To je igra, ki jo igrajo neumni ljudje.
Because they propose this absurd thing. You just imagine your future.
Ker,
And since you imagine it so strongly that it will happen.
ja, ker predlagajo, da si tako močno domišljaš oziroma imaginiraš svojo prihodnost, da se bo uresničila.
Without doing anything.
Ne, da bi karkoli v zvezi s tem
It is
deloval.
so easy that it attracts many. Because they are lazy.
Tako je lahko, da pritegne mnogo ljudi, ker je zalene. Ne?
So they said, here is a very good hypothesis and theory
To je odlična
because I don't do
hipoteza.
anything, I just imagine and I will succeed.
Ja, to je odlična hipoteza, nič ne bom delal, samo predstavljal si bom in se bo zgodilo.
If you have time to waste,
Če imaš čas za zapravljanje,
but the faculty of reasoning in the human mind can save us from wasting time.
sposobnost razumevanja v človeškem umu pa nas rešuje pred zapravljanjem časa.
It is like children, you have
Kot otroci
more or less intelligent, more or less,
so bolj ali manj inteligentni,
and then a very emotional child, wants to test everything.
včasih
The mother
čustveni.
say, don't touch the fire, it will burn you.
In mama reče otroku, ne dotikaj se ognja, v peku te bo.
touch it.
Otrok se ravno to naredi in
Now an intelligent child will look at the mother, try to figure out, and it will not test the thing. And then later on, more age, it will realize that the mother was teaching him the truth.
In otrok, ki je inteligenten, bo razmišljal in tega ne bo naredil in z leti bo ugotovil, da ima mama prav.
Now, be clear, I'm not your mother, huh?
Torej, naj bo jasno, da nisem vaša mama,
Neither your father.
niti oče.
Yeah. Don't conclude into the examples. Well, anyhow, so we have to learn by reasoning.
Moramo se učiti z reasoning, kako bi sklepanjem. Okay, dobro,
If we are really interested in reality,
če nas res zanima resničnost,
we cannot accept fake things, fake means.
Ne moremo sprejeti napačnih, lažnih stvari in pomenov.
Because fake means cannot give results in reality.
Ker te ne morejo imeti rezultata v resničnosti.
Okay? So you are safe from all those stupid proposals from people who want to sell their theory to have a name or whatever.
In to vas reši pred neumnimi predlogi ljudi, ki pač želijo biti slavni.
Now, we accept that the past is done.
Sprejeli smo dejstvo, da je
and we cannot change it.
Preteklost končana in jo ne moremo spremeniti.
Or there is some proposal
Je kakšen
to change
predlog,
the past.
je kakšen predlog na temo da spremembe preteklosti?
So we agree upon this.
Torej se strinjamo s tem.
The future we cannot foresee it fully.
Pri prihodnosti ne moremo v celoti predvideti.
But more or less we can have a feel.
Lahko pa jo bolj ali manj začutimo.
Well, if I work hard, if I learn how to manage,
Če trdo delam, če se naučim
I
upravljanja,
can put up with life, have savings, take care of the family, etc., etc. And I can have some smallest idea of the future.
in če potem lahko zaslužim, imam družino in imam neko življenje.
Without knowing completely what it will be, we have some power on the building up of the future.
Ne da bi točno vedeli, kaj to bo, imamo moč, da si zgradimo prihodnost.
And if we do it,
In če si jo
we assume it,
in jo domnevamo,
it is called responsibility.
se temu reče odgovornost.
Because we assume completely what we are doing,
Ker domnevamo, da vemo, kaj delamo,
and there will be no blaming of any kind of against anyone.
in ne bomo zakrivili nikogar, obtoževali nikogar za ničesar.
It is called the self-independence, the freedom of oneself. Not to be bound so that we have to blame people around.
To je neka zdrava neodvisnost in brez obtoževanja kogarkoli ali osebe ali okoliščine.
Now to change the future,
Da bi spremenili prihodnost,
meaning to build up our destiny,
da bi to build up power of destiny, da bi zgradili,
our destiny.
da bi zgradili svojo usodo,
One has to know what has gone wrong in the past.
mora seveda oseba vedeti, kaj je bilo narobe v preteklosti.
What kinds of bad, let's say, habits that I have followed so that I have built up the present result.
Kakšne slabe navade sem vzgajal oziroma gojil, da je moja sedanjost takšna.
It means that I accept change.
To pomeni tudi, da sprejmem spremembo.
First of all, of myself.
predvsem spremembo sebe, samega sebe.
And if there is some resistance to this, there is no hope to change in the future.
Če se temu upiram, potem ni nobenega upanja na spremembo v
So
prihodnosti.
this is the destiny of many, many people wanting to repeat the same thing and rejecting understanding in the present and then over and over.
To je usoda mnogih ljudi, ki se upirajo spremembi in zaradi tega ponavljajo cikluse ali
Now the action
karmo.
can only be done in the present.
Torej, to delovanje je lahko samo v sedanjosti.
As it was not possible to act in the past, it is done. As it is not possible to act in the future because it does not happen yet, the only moment of action is the present.
Ja. Tako kot ni mogoče ničesar spremeniti v preteklosti, ker je zaključena, in tudi ni mogoče delovati v prihodnosti, ker še ni prišla, je edina možnost delovanja zdaj, sedanji trenutek.
One is very often a procrastinator.
Mnogo ljudi je takih, ki radi zavlačujejo.
One can say, I understood all this,
Jaz to vse razumem, rečejo,
but I will change tomorrow.
ampak bom jutri začel s spremembo.
What
Jutri
about
se bom
tomorrow?
spremenil.
Tomorrow will be another tomorrow.
Jutri bo naslednji jutri.
So it will postponing forever.
Torej, to je neko zavlačevanje, ki traja kar naprej večno.
You know the funny story of the hairstylist who has
Poznate,
a big board on his showcase. Tomorrow we will shave gratis.
poznate zgodbo o znanem frizerju, ki je imel napis v, ne vem, verjetno nekje, ne? Jutri strižemo zastonj,
Tomorrow you come back.
jutri se vrni.
See the same board tomorrow.
To je isto. Jutri.
Tomorrow never comes.
Yes,
Tomorrow is always tomorrow.
never. And that tomorrow will be another tomorrow. So just do it now.
Torej, jutri bo naslednji jutri, tako da preprosto naredimo to zdaj.
In order to do it now, one has to see clearly one's own habits.
In da bi to lahko naredil zdaj, mora oseba jasno videti svoje lastne navade.
These ones which need to be changed.
In to tiste, ki jih je potrebno spremeniti.
Very simple things.
To je zelo preprosto.
You like something very much.
Nekaj vam je, na primer, zelo všeč.
Coffee.
Coffee. Kava.
When you like coffee, you have the smell there and
Ja.
you will do coffee in the
Yeah.
house and you will get excited, you go there.
Okay. Imaš kavo, imaš čudovito aromo.
Just make an experience and watch inside yourself.
Naredimo eksperiment in se opazujmo.
You like coffee
Všeč nam je kava.
or elsewhere, you say, I am going to stop coffee for 1 week. Not on
Gremo-
top of coffee
Gremo
in 1
nekam
week.
in se odločimo za to, da prenehamo piti kavo za en teden.
And watch over what are the reactions
In
in the physical body and in the mind.
opazujemo svoje reakcije in to v fizičnem telesu in tudi v umu.
Interesting, very interesting.
Zanimivo.
And do it as an experience and you will have fun with it.
Naredite to kot z namenom izkušnje in imeli boste veliko zabave s tem.
Probably you will suffer also because the body feels the pain of not having coffee.
Verjetno boste tudi malo trpeli, ker telo čuti bolečino zaradi te odtegnitve.
But please do not suffer, just watch the pain.
Ampak prosim, ne trpeti, samo opazujte bolečino.
You will hear the body crying for help.
Telo bo kričalo po pomoči, daj mi mojo kavo.
Laugh at it. Laugh at it because your body is not yourself.
Smejte se temu jokanju telesa, kajti vaše telo niste vi.
And then you will see after 3 days,
Po 3 dneh so
if you
videli,
don't yield to this,
če
if you don't yield to this burning desire,
Če ne padete pod to gorečo željo,
it will come down.
se bo pomirila, se bo umirila.
Like a very capricious child crying for everything at any time, any moment, for whatever,
Kot,
it will come down.
kot kapriciozni otrok, ki hoče kar naprej nekaj in se potem umiri.
It will not shout out, it will just whisper to you,
Ne bo več,
please give me some coffee.
v nekem času ne bo več vpil, ampak bo samo še petal, daj mi malo kavice.
And you are not going to yield to this kindness.
In tudi temu ne bomo podlegli.
We have decided 1 week, it will be 1 week.
Odločili smo se, da je en teden.
After a week time,
Po enem tednu,
if you don't hang to the idea that you want coffee,
če ne obvisimo na tej ideji, da želimo kavo,
you can drink whatever you give to the body,
lahko piješ karkoli in daš v telo
it will be content.
in bo to telo zadovoljno.
When I said a week time,
Kar sem rekla, za en
Not
teden
enough.
ni dovolj.
many weeks in the year,
Več tednov, mnogo tednov v letu.
but regularly cut it off.
Ampak redno je pa potrebno zmanjšati. Cut it off or
Cut it
decrease.
off.
Se pravi,
No, don't decrease,
Nehati.
cut it off.
Ja, kaj mislim? Prenehati.
You can negotiate, you can, yes, instead of 3 cups, I just drink 1.
That's what I do.
The one you
Lahko,
call for the second.
lahko tudi se pogajamo sami s sabo, pa rečemo, namesto 3 bom spila eno. But
To take good decisions, drastic action is needed.
ampak da bi sprejeli dobre odločitve, so potrebne drastične mere.
Well, after some time, you will fall back again. But you will not let these decisions go. You repeat the experience. A week here, a week there, a week here, a week there. And after all, coffee ceased to be your addiction.
Se pravi, lahko po nekem času začnemo ponovno kavo piti. Ampak če ponavljamo te tedne, teh mnogo tednov, ko si odvzamemo to kavo, prenehamo biti odvisni od kave.
What I said to you apply for coffee, tea, whatever,
To velja za
but
kavo,
does
čaj,
not apply for hard drug.
to pa ne velja za te čaje in to ne velja pa za trde droge.
Some drug humans cannot get rid of because it is too strong. It has
Nekateri,
an impact on the brain in such a way that human beings cannot deal with that. But we are not talking about this. Huh?
yes,
You
o
know
tem
that.
sicer ne govorimo, ampak nekaterih trdih drog se ne da takole odvaditi, ker imajo premočen vpliv na človeško telo.
So we have to break the habit
Torej, zlomiti je treba navado, prekiniti navado.
because the habits maintain our thinking in a groove.
Ker ta navada usmerja naše mišljenje v nek žleb, groove,
V stare brazde.
ja, v brazde.
And the more we keep the habit, the groove is I do need coffee.
In bolj ko, the more we, I lost the thought.
Keep the habits.
Bolj ko se držimo navade, bolj se krepi ta jaz potrebujem kavo.
You get the process of it. Now, if we stop to drink coffee
Kako se
and
držimo
stop
te
the addiction,
usmiljenosti, da ne pijemo?
Okay, I thought I listened to her and didn't hear you.
Okay.
what did you say?
No, he said, the more we keep the groove, not the coffee.
The more
Yeah?
we keep the habits,
The habit.
the more the groove is maintained.
Yes.
Bolj se. Kaj je groove?
Groove je tista
Brazda je v redu,
mišljenja,
rečemo.
Tir.
Ja, v starih tirih.
Bolj nas usmerja v ta tir, jaz hočem kavo.
Ja.
In bolj se tudi ta tir nekako zacementira.
Sorry about that.
Yes, the groove is that
Yes,
you make water to run into this
Yes.
groove
to je
and
ta
it
žled.
cannot go elsewhere. So that the more you keep the habits, the more the groove is maintained.
Ja, bolj se ta tir vzdržuje, da potrebuješ kavo. Bolj, ko se,
And the more the groove is maintained,
in bolj kot s tem vzdržujemo ta žleb, po katerem ta želja teče,
it will make your character.
Bolj to ustvarja naš značaj.
And your character will define the people around you and make your destiny.
In ta značaj privabi ljudi okrog tebe in ustvarja tvojo usodo.
Yes. Now all this is matter of habit.
To je vse, torej stvar navad.
If we master the process, we master the habits.
Če postanemo mojster tega procesa, postanemo mojster navad.
And what you have called pleasure,
In to, čemu rečemo užitek,
you can discover that the pleasure is just a game of repetition.
Odkrijemo, da je užitek samo stvar ponavljanja.
Suppose that you can stop drinking coffee.
Naprimer, da prenehamo piti kavo.
It is no good for my health, I stop, and you replace it by something else.
Ker mislimo, da ni dobra za nas, nadomestimo to z nečim drugim.
I'm not going to say tea,
Ne bom rekla čaj,
because I'm a tea drinker,
ker jaz sem,
Pijem.
pijem čaj.
but I apply, as I told you, 1 week of nothing, just
Ampak
water.
se pa to nanaša na ta teden, ko nehamo piti
And you prove
to,
to your,
česar smo navajeni.
by this way you prove to the physical body that you are the master and not it.
In s tem dokažemo telesu, da smo, da smo ga obvladali, da smo gospodar, da smo ga obvladali.
Now you replace, let us say, by some other drink.
Če nadomestimo to, naprimer, z neko drugo pijačo.
After some time,
V nekem času,
by repetition,
s ponavljanjem,
you will find pleasure in drinking the new drink.
bomo začeli uživati v pitju te nove druge pijače.
Not alcohol, huh?
Ne alkohola, ne?
So after that, and you can discover that the whole process of pleasure is just in repetition. And if you replace the thing, the building up of pleasure will take over on the basis of memory.
Se pravi, če nadomestimo to z nečim drugim in dovolj časa ponavljamo, ugotovimo, da to postane užitek. In ta zadnjega dela stavka se pa ne spomnim.
No, da užitek temelji na našem spominu.
Tako je. In s tem ponavljanjem ugotovimo, da užitek temelji na našem spominu.
Če boš utrujena, povej, ne? Če boš
Bi šel ti prevajati?
Če boš menjavo rabila, sem pravi, ne? Da se ne boš...
He offered to replace me.
This was not no, not necessarily me, but...
Are you tired?
No,
I'm fine. She has to be trained.
To be trained, exactly.
You are okay.
Occasionally I lose concentration, but I'm fine.
No problem.
No problem.
You have the right to lose concentration
Thank you.
for some time. So with the training you will gain it in the
Yes.
future.
Yeah.
So one can discover that the whole process of having pleasure is based on memory.
To je to, kar smo že rekli. Se pravi, ugotoviš, da je celoten ta užitek s ponavljanjem, ki postane užitek, je osnovan na spominu.
Meaning that we can replace everything with everything.
Se pravi, to pomeni, da vse lahko nadomestimo, da karkoli lahko nadomestimo s čimerkoli.
We can replace coffee with anything without any chemical effect on the brain.
lahko nadomestimo kavo z čimerkoli brez vsakega kemičnega vpliva na možgane.
Because the memory has been built up with the repetition of things.
Ker se je spomin ustvaril z ponavljanjem stvari.
So make the experience and you will find that we can read of anything if there is the will to do it.
In to nam da izkušnja in s to izkušnjo ugotovimo, da se lahko znebimo česarkoli.
You can also get rid of a bad partner.
Odvadimo
I
česarkoli.
didn't say anything.
Lahko se tudi odvadimo slabega partnerja.
Forget about it.
Ampak pozabimo na to.
But it is the same process.
Ampak to je isti proces.
What did she say?
With the new habit.
If there is no change, well, so forget about it. This is just a joke. Meaning it applies to everything.
Pravi, to se nanaša na karkoli lahko.
And the strength behind it is the will we have to change.
In moč, ki je iza tega, je ta moč, ki jo imamo, da spremenimo.
This change in the present will build up a new future.
Sprememba v sedanjosti nam bo zgradila novo prihodnost.
If we change our character from anger into peaceful,
Če spremenimo svoj značaj iz jeznega v miroljubnega,
we will create a surrounding with peaceful people.
bomo izpolnili svoje okolje z miroljubnimi ljudmi.
But with not quarreling people, angry all the time, it is a kind of second mode of living. There are some like that. And then we change because we can no longer bear the very, very thick atmosphere of the people who are angry, who are filled up with hatred, etc. We cannot bear. That's all.
To je v primeru, ko živimo obkroženi z čustvenimi, nemiroljubnimi, jeznimi ljudmi in tega ne moremo več prenašati.
When you change the surrounding people,
In
you change relationship,
ko spremeniš ljudi, ki so okrog tebe, spremeniš tudi odnose, relationships,
define destiny.
in to določa usodo.
So each one of us can work to transform our destiny in the frame of karma using its own process of working.
Se pravi, vsak lahko deluje tako, da spremeni svoj karakter znotraj te karme z, kaj je bil zadnji del stavka?
Svojo usodo na ta način.
In s tem spremeni svojo usodo.
We are inside the frame of karma,
Znotraj tega okvira svoje karme,
but we stop to be under, completely under its influence, because we have learned now the way of coping with it and moving in a better way.
se pravi, nismo več pod tem njenim vplivom, ker smo se naučili, kako z njo, kako jo coping,
Kako je biti kos.
kako je biti kos in to je to. Kako je biti kos in s tem se spremeni usoda.
Is it all right for you? Or it is more difficult after the meal?
Je to v redu ali je težje razumeti stvari po kosilu? There are no complaints.
They are sleeping, so they cannot
Okay.
say for joke.
I don't think so. But
So far, I can have a small break here to ask you whether you have questions before going further.
zdaj bi pa rada naredila kratek premor. A prideš sem, Tone? Pridite sem. Ali boste odšla potem? Ne? Okay.
Tony, come sleep here.
I thought you left. You said that you will leave.
You can sleep here, but without snoring.
Torej, Rada bi naredila tukaj kratek premor in dala priložnost za vprašanja. Vaša.
Okay. So. Yes, Luca.
I would like to ask, but isn't the sort of environment that we are in, especially the people that we get into a relationship with, isn't that part of our karma also?
Of course. The past defines our present. And in the present is defined by the relationships of our own. So, very angry people, very quarreling people, they cannot feel alive in a peaceful atmosphere. They want to be alive, meaning to struggle and to fight with everyone, to get themselves alive.
V osnovi smo ponovili to, kar je že povedala, da nas ljudje, ki nas obkrožajo, da lahko to spremenimo s tem, da spremenimo svoj način, svoje navade in tvoje vprašanje je bilo, kaj že, da so odnosi?
Pač ljudje, s katerimi se srečamo, če tako rečem, ali pa ne vem, odnosi, v katerih bivamo, so tudi del te karme, ne?
Ja.
Tako da moje vprašanje je bilo predvsem to, ne? No, vse v bistvu je že namignjeno na to, da v bistvu, če svojo vibracijo, če tako rečem, spremenimo, pol se postopoma naša okolica tudi posledično spremeni, ne? So, yeah, I think you already answered that before, no? So what I'm just trying to make it clear for myself. So what you suggest is if we change our vibration, if I put it that way, so as a consequence of that, also the environment around us will change with time. Okay.
I would say habits, because if you say vibrations, it is much easier.
Rajši
Everything
bi rekla navade kot vibracije, zato ker z vibracijo kaj pravzaprav mislimo.
So you say, just change vibrations, you can put on a piece of music, you say, with that I will change. It does not work.
Če rečemo vibracija, lahko tudi damo en lep glasbeni komad in to ne pomaga. Potrebno je spremeniti navade.
It is coming to the fact, and you cannot imagine, you cannot escape. Tega si ne moreš predstavljati in temu se ne moreš, da moreš uiti, ubežati.
Can I ask also? Yeah, I have a question. You said that we are building our future by acting in a sort of ways in the present, but what about sudden death? How about sudden death? How sudden death? For example, a person is correcting his future by acting very correctly in the present, and what happens to this? Why it happens that some people are suddenly dead? Why? Is it karma, or they did something incorrect in past? If all the good buildings, what they're building,
But
in one moment is cut.
Just a moment.
Yes.
Bi lahko prosim povedala v slovenščini?
Ja.
Vprašanje.
Vprašam, glede tega, zakaj vse, kaj mi gradimo v našem življenju, mogoče in na dobrem poti smo, vse gre zelo dobro, in potem enkrat zgodi, da nekdo umira, kakšna nesreča ali bolezen. Zakaj to? Ali to je karmično, ali to je nekaj vpliva za preteklost, vplivalo na to, kaj zgodi v prihodnosti.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah. Please do not feel shocked with my answer.
Naj te ne šokira moj
I
odgovor.
try to lessen the shock. Sudden death
Nenadne smrti
is not necessarily a catastrophe.
ni nujno katastrofa oziroma tragična.
I can understand very well. I can feel the pain of those who are in the cases
Dobro jo razumem in čutim bolečino,
sudden death.
s katero se človek sooča pri nenadni smrti.
But in the whole,
V celoti
sudden death does not mean necessarily a catastrophe.
V resnici pa to ne pomeni, nenadna smrt ne pomeni nujno tragedije.
Maybe that without this death, the main character of the whole drama, in this case, cannot evolve and develop.
Mogoče v tem primeru se celotna drama ni mogla razviti. A je bilo to? Samo eden, prosim,
Ta
naenkrat.
oseba ni mogla razviti.
Ja,
Lahko je primer, da ta oseba, ki je nenadoma umrla, se ni mogla razvijati naprej.
Torej, ta oseba, ki je umrla, se mogoče ni mogla razvijati naprej.
v danih okoliščinah.
Okay?
No, just I wanted to ask if it's the result of the past actions or it's just karma. This
Well,
sudden
karma
death.
is that.
Or we build this
Karma
by
is that.
ourselves.
No.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the life of a person in this reincarnation.
Yes?
Yeah, not because of other reincarnations.
Yes, but when I say the past, I include past
You
lives
include
also.
past lives also. Yeah. So
Yes, otherwise
it's
it's
all
that.
connected with this. So it doesn't matter how you act in the present. What will happen to you will happen to you.
It does happen. It does have effect.
So you cannot affect your future really if you have karma.
No, you mean that you are defining the work of karma. If you do good things, you have to have a long life. Is that you have defined definition of karma? It is not that works.
So you cannot change it by acting in the present.
You've changed it, but not the way you want to change it.
So you cannot want to change it. How you are, yeah. So this is fatalism.
No.
No, you are concluding very quickly.
I would like to ask again.
No,
Can
no.
you change?
No.
Yeah.
You are under your emotions.
No.
You want to. You are
Yeah.
there, but you want to get there immediately. Have patience. Yes, to listen. I have not finished a sentence. You asked another question. I am lost now.
Sorry.
Where am
Sorry.
I?
Okay. Okay, I would like to listen.
You see, all this what I said is true. In the case of sudden death, maybe that the person has a very short destiny on earth. How can you know? Because you are victim of your own prejudice that a good karma is a long life. How can you know?
Samo trenutek. I
Yeah.
would like to
Translate.
Če v tem primeru je človek lahko ima predsodek, da je to taka smrt katastrofa, v resnici pa ne moremo vedeti, ali ni bila to usoda človeka in njegovega življenja na zemlji.
V bistvu, kar je rekla, je to, da dobra karma ne pomeni nujno dolgo življenje.
Dobra karma, ja, mogoče ravno nasprotno.
Kaj zdaj dobro?
Nimamo dobre pa slabe karme.
No,
Ja, tako je rekla. Je samo karma je, ni dobra pa slaba.
In some cases,
V katerih primerih
sudden death of the almost young person,
nenadna smrt mlade osebe,
viewed in an immediate way and with emotions, it is a catastrophe.
in jo gledamo z čustvi in smo nesrečni, to je katastrofa.
Now, if the person pause,
Če pa se človek ustavi
try to get it, some meaning from it,
in poskuša najti v tem nek pomen,
because everything in life has a meaning.
ker ima vse v življenju pomen, življenje ima
If you
pomen.
live in a superficial way, you just say, what a catastrophe.
Če živiš površinsko, potem preprosto rečeš, kakšna
And
tragedija.
you stop the process of life in yourself.
In s tem ustaviš proces življenja v sebi.
Some people will carry it on for decades and could not get out of it.
Nekateri ljudje to nosijo v sebi desetletja in tega ne spravijo iz sebe.
I personally know a woman,
Osebno poznam žensko,
she lost her husband at the age of 35.
izgubila je moža pri 35.
And now she's 85.
Zdaj je 85
She is
let,
still wearing black clothes.
še vedno nosi črno.
Anytime we talk about her family,
Vsakič,
she weeps and say, oh my dear husband, and I have lost him.
in še vedno govori o tem, kako je izgubila moža.
This person has never lived since the death of her husband.
Ta oseba nikoli ni živela, odkar ji je umrl mož.
Everything in her house, all the furnitures are kept
Vse
as at the
pohištvo,
time of his
vse
death.
je obdržala tako, kot je bilo takrat, ko je umrl.
Well, you can choose. You can say, what a nobility.
Lahko se odločiš, lahko rečeš, what a nobility,
Kako plemenito.
kako plemenito.
You can also call it another name.
Lahko jim pa temu rečeš tudi kako drugače.
I'm not going to suggest another name for you.
Ne bom pa.
So, depends upon your level of understanding that you look at events of life.
Torej gre za tvoje razumevanje, kako gledaš na dogodke v življenju.
I do not deny the pain
Ne,
of the experience,
ne zanikam bolečine izkustva tega,
but being completely drowned by the pain,
ampak da se popolnoma utopiš
meaning
v tej
that
žalosti
suffering will
in
lead you
trpljenju,
to the fact that you miss life.
te vodi v to, da pravzaprav zgrešiš življenje.
A death of the person, even the dearest one,
Smrt
does not have the
osebe,
right to deprive you of taking you from life.
pravi, smrt osebe, nedražne osebe, ti pač povzroči, da svojega življenja ne živiš.
Da nima pravice odtegniti od tega, da bi živel svoje lastno življenje.
No, so, are you still emotional?
No, I just have another question. But please take a break because I think it's already enough time.
Is it a break now?
I don't know if you're tired.
No, the break
No, I'm
was
not.
meant to answer the question, so
No,
just...
but my question, can I ask you another question?
Of course, I'm not
Thank
tired because I ate
Thanks.
just the food that I need for the afternoon.
Yeah.
I didn't eat more. If I have eaten more, I will be.
I also didn't eat today, so that's why
So,
I have many
To
questions.
keep the mind alive, one has to be very sober. To keep the mind alive, one has to be sober.
Aha, da bi bil živ in aktiven, mora biti trezen.
So go ahead.
Yes, I'm talking about not either food, another question to ask about not the reaction on death of other people on a personal life. Because let's say that I want to change myself now and to make many things different, or I can see the results in future which I didn't like in my past. But what about if I die suddenly? When I go tomorrow
You start
plane,
again next
and
life.
then I fall down.
No, you start
And
next
for what I
life.
build all this?
Kaj pa, če nenadoma zdaj umrem,
Yeah.
nadaljuješ v naslednjem življenju?
Okay, thanks.
Because we don't have just one life. Otherwise,
Nimamo samo enega življenja.
the whole thing is absurd. Would be absurd.
Sicer bi bilo vse absurdno.
So whenever you die now,
Če umreš zdaj,
10 years later,
10 let kasneje,
you can decide to change.
eh,
And the work done today will count in the future.
in delo, ki ga opraviš danes, bo imelo vpliv v prihodnosti.
And you cannot say, if I know that I die tomorrow, I will run and have fun today.
In
And
če
the
vem, da
next
bom
future, when you will be reborn, you will have fun. This is normal. Because when you wake up in the morning, the last thought of the previous day will appear to your mind. And this is the same when you die, the last thought of your previous life will prevail in your next life. So if you're thinking about, oh, let me have fun because I have just one day to live, well, next life you will be shrinking in the fun search.
lahko to prevedeš na kratko.
Ne, sem nekaj razmišljala.
Lahko bi človek hotel se močno zabavati, zato ker misli, da bo jutri umrl in misli, da se bo potem v naslednjem življenju zabaval, ampak če sem prav razumela, se bo, Če sem prav razumela, je zadnja misel, ki jo imaš takrat, ko umreš.
Zvečer.
Ja, isto, ne, pač tako.
Ja.
Prispodoba.
Zadnja misel tega dneva bo prevladala v naslednjem
V
dnevu.
naslednjem dnevu.
Se pravi, bo prva misel naslednjega dne,
Naslednjega dne.
enako je pa z življenjem.
Z
Se pravi, zadnja misel tega življenja bo prva misel naslednjega življenja. ne.
Okay.
But I'm sorry if I may
But-
ask. Do you mean that you?
Is it clear?
Thank you very much, yes.
So, any one of us can die anytime.
Vsak od nas lahko umre kadarkoli
There's no catastrophe.
in to ni tragedija,
If the mind is clear,
če je jasen,
stable,
stabilen,
understanding,
razume,
because one preparation of this life will count for the next life.
ker bo preparation,
So the life is preparation for the
ker bo,
death.
je rekla priprava,
Priprava.
ker bo to priprava za naslednje
You
življenje.
like conclusions, huh? Don't try to conclude. Leave it open.
Okay.
Just didn't understand very well that when you just semantically, if your last thought is, oh, let's have fun, then your next life is spent in search of fun.
It will be preconditioned by this thinking.
Yes, yes. So it doesn't.
And depends upon if you
Necessarily
have a
think-
past life, very
Yeah.
good preparation, you
Yes.
can seize yourself and think, I am stupid. How is it that I'm looking for fun?
Yes.
And that's
Se pravi,
We can't simplify that we will have fun. Bom že razložila.
okay.
Se pravi, moje vprašanje je bilo, ali nisem dobro razumela, kaj zdaj to pomeni. Ne? Če bom pač, moje zadnje misli bodo posvečene temu, imejmo se fajn, ali to pomeni, da se bomo v naslednjem življenju imeli fajn, ampak ne. Samo preconditioned, pač nekako predpogojeno je potem naše naslednje življenje s tem, s to željo po zabavi. Če govorimo seveda o prispodobi, lahko je tudi kaj drugega. Thank you.
the gentleman behind first.
Yeah. I have one question. What about suicide? How do you look about this? Or I don't know, people who is very ill or can
I
or
was
Sprašuje o ljudeh, ki so naredili samomor ali ki so zelo bolni pa naredijo samomor. Sem
Ja,
imela prav?
ja, ja.
Okay.
I was expecting this question from you.
From
You.
no.
Suicide is a big case.
Samomor je težek primer.
Some people are living so big pain that they cannot
Nekateri ljudje
overcome.
imajo takšne bolečine, ki jih ne morejo premagati.
All the more if they identify themselves with the pain.
Posebej, če se identificirajo z bolečino.
The pain alone can be bearable,
Sama bolečina je znosna,
but the pain, when oneself identifies oneself with the pain,
če pa,
it turns out to be
če
unbearable.
pa se nekdo identificira z njo, pa je lahko neznosna.
When you say, I am suffering,
Če nekdo reče, jaz trpim,
instead of this pain there, it is painful.
namesto da bi rekel, to bolečina je, bolečino imam.
You can do an experience.
To lahko naredimo preizkus
I said it
sami.
in many occasions, so forgive me for those who have hurt me for many times. I seem to repeat myself, but it is not yet cuckoo there. It is still clear. So,
Kaj je bilo zdaj rečeno?
Da se ponavlja, da večkrat ponavlja ene stvari, ampak
Okay.
to ni zato, ker je pač ima že senilna, ampak zato, ker pač še ni jasno. Ne?
so I may be repetitive for some of you.
Za nekatere to pač ponavljam.
If you have a headache,
Če imaš glavobol,
I cannot see you, and I want to see your face when I talk to people. Move a little bit there.
I'll go.
Don't
Because
hide
I
yourself. So let us take an example. If you have a headache,
Na primer, nekdo ima glavobol
you just observe that there is a headache there.
in samo opazuješ, da obstaja glavobol.
It is strong,
Močan je,
but as long as you do not say and do not think that I suffer from the headache,
a tako dolgo, dokler ne rečeš, jaz trpim zaradi glavobola,
you can bear it.
jo
And
lahko
if you
to
identify
prenašaš.
yourself with it, you suffer, it turns out to be unbearable.
Če pa se z njim identificiraš in zaradi tega trpiš, lahko postane neznosen.
Now, in some cases, people cannot stand the suffering.
V nekaterih primerih ljudje ne prenesejo trpljenja,
Some people cannot stand the pain.
ne prenašajo bolečine
They ask to be relieved.
in prosijo za relief in the meaning of
Olajšanje.
drugs.
Odrešitev tega.
To be relieved for good.
Aha. In prosijo, da jih odrešijo. Ja.
Of course, it cannot be done like that because it is too easy.
To se seveda ne more tako narediti, ker je prelahko.
We have to make laws about this.
Glede tega so zakoni.
And in many countries, they are studying it. If it is not yet done, there are very strict laws and procedure to follow.
V marsikaterih, v večini držav imajo pravzaprav zelo stroge zakone glede
And
tega.
we have to comply to the desire of the person who suffers.
Vendar, we should comply? Or?
Yes.
Ampak moramo ustreči želji takšnega človeka.
Because it is not compassionate to leave people to suffer.
Ker ni sočutno, da pustimo človeka
But it
trpeti.
should be defined by strict laws.
Bi pa moralo biti urejeno z strogimi zakoni.
By a council and not one person
In
deciding.
to z odborom več ljudi, ne samo enega.
Many instances,
V mnogih primerih
institutions to decide.
naj o tem odloči inštitucija. Ne?
It is very difficult in the case of some people who lost all the consciousness and then the family has to decide.
Težko je v
And they
primerih,
find, there is a case in France now, it is really painful.
težko je v nekaterih primerih, ko so takšni ljudje nezavestni oziroma so v komi in mora o tem odločiti družina.
Meaning that society is evolving.
Družba se razvija,
Every one of the citizens
vsak državljan
is advised to live a kind of moral testament.
je nekje obvezan, da zapusti moralno zapuščino oziroma testament.
Rejecting harassment, medical harassment.
S tem, da zavrne medicinsko zlostavljanje, zlorabljanje.
When one is in the terminal state of
When-
some very severe disease,
Če je nekdo v zadnji fazi terminalne bolezni
and one cannot no longer have the faculty of decision,
in zaradi tega tudi ne more imeti sposobnosti, da se odloči glede
there
tega.
should be a piece of witness, meaning this testament, saying that I do not want to be prolonged in conditions which are not acceptable.
Bi moral obstajati neka priča, tudi v smislu papir, v katerem je zapisano, nočem, da me še naprej oživljajo v tem smislu. Ne?
I think that in many countries they have this kind of institution. In France,
V
there is
mnogih
one.
državah imajo takšne inštitucije, v Franciji obstaja,
all the last wills are registered.
kjer so te zadnje želje registrirane.
Your testament for the inheritance, your desire when you are very ill and you don't want to be prolonged, all this.
Gre za testament glede zapuščine, materialne in tudi glede tega.
Etc. etc. Now, suicide is another thing.
Samomor je druga stvar.
And the causes are absolutely multiple.
Vzrokov je zelo veliko.
Some people are just tired of living,
Nekateri so preprosto utrujeni in ne želijo več
said
živeti,
enough,
imajo dovolj.
I go. And generally they don't know where they go, but they don't want to leave.
Na splošno ne vejo, kam gredo, ampak želijo zapustiti ta svet.
So this is the case of many depressive people.
To je primer pri mnogih depresivnih ljudeh.
But then also there are suicide caused by medicines.
So tudi samomori, ki so posledica medicine is in the meaning of drugs.
Yes, medicines,
Ja,
not
se
drugs.
pravi zdravila,
In
posledica
some
zdravil.
cases, some specific medicine will incite to suicide. In the treatment of depression, there are some specific molecules, chemically speaking, and instead of curing depression, it just incite the people to commit suicide. And there are many cases already.
Really?
Yes.
Pri depresivnih ljudeh in pa teh zdravilih, ki jim dajejo, obstajajo noter molekule, ki povzročijo pravzaprav ravno to, spodbudijo samomor.
I can name it after the session. I don't want to be taken with this.
Lahko jih imenujem po tem, ker ne želim, da je to zabeleženo na traku.
So this is
Ta zdravila, ne?
the second type of suicide caused by medicines,
Ja, to je
medical substance.
ja, druga oblika je ta
And suicide also caused by drugs effect.
in tudi samomor, ki ga povzročijo zdravila.
And they are not suicide, it is just living in an illusion and kill oneself in an illusion, believing that it is reality.
Pa nisem razumela.
To so droge, veš.
Sam mečkan, Luka, prosim.
Pač v stanju delirija, recimo pri neki drogi, ne, če nekdo vzame eno drogo, pač lahko v tistem stanju misli, da pač zdaj, da je to, ne vem, iluzija, recimo, in se ubije, čeprav ni zdaj razumel, da je to dejansko on naredil, ne. Ali pa pač, ja, pod vplivom droge v deliriju lahko nekdo naredi samomor.
V halucinacijah.
Yes,
Ja, recimo.
hallucination, yes.
Hvala.
And they just believe that they are birds, so they want to
Ja.
fly, they fly off.
Verjamejo, da so recimo ptica in letijo.
It is
Just
just suicide.
Ja,
Okay.
in je to smatrano kot
So I don't know
samomor.
wherever it is, but all those in those cases, it is a painful process of the soul
V vsakem
following
primeru
the death.
pa je to boleče izkušnja duše, ki ne želi podaljševati življenja.
Ne, v bistvu, kar je hotela reči, je to, da temu dejanju sledi bolečina te duše.
Aha, ja. Očitno sem res utrujena.
Is it okay for you, or you want to know more?
No, it's okay. Only one more thing, just from karma. When you
Yes.
when you make suicide consciously, or another
Yes.
way, when you are ill and you don't know that you do this, what's
Yes.
the difference between these two in karma, or
Yes.
in the next life? Or
You can translate, and then I will
Prosim,
translate off.
kar ti povej po slovensko.
v bistvu me zanima, kakšna je še razlika, če narediš samomor, da se zavedaš, ali pa če narediš samomor, da se ne zavedaš, tako recimo to zdaj drugo.
Ja, ja. Okay.
Pa kako to pol vpliva na naslednje življenje, pa kako karma na to pravi.
Well, any person is given a duration of life.
Vsaki osebi je dana določeno obdobje življenja.
if by personal problems the person put an end,
Če zaradi
Earlier.
osebnih problemov oseba to obdobje konča prej,
next life will also wear the consequences of it.
bo v naslednjem življenju čutila posledice tega.
This can be explained by the cases of young death.
To je možno razložiti v primerih smrti, samomora mladih ljudi.
It is like
Ali ne?
one has to live up to, let's say, 70, and then committed suicide at 50.
Nekdo bi naj živel do 70. leta, pa je naredil samomor pri 50.
And the next life, which is not necessarily consecutive, but in the next life,
V naslednjem življenju pa, ki ni nujno čisto prvo naslednje,
the person may die at 20.
lahko ta oseba umre pri 20.
To make it short and
Da.
simple.
Da nadomesti tistih 20 let v smislu.
I once heard a theory that the person who commits suicide, especially if it's like conscious decision, I will end this story that I'm living in and I don't want to deal with this, that this person, this soul, stays in the same situation for the duration of time that they would have to live their life if they wouldn't commit suicide. What do you think about that? Torej sprašujem, ker sem slišal enkrat eno teorijo, da pač oseba, če oseba zavestno se odloči, da hoče pač končati življenje, se pravi naredi samomor, zato ker noče živeti v neki situaciji, v kateri se znajde, da potem v bistvu podoživlja to isto situacijo, zaradi katerega je naredila samomor, preostanek tistega časa, kronološko gledano, kot bi sicer še živela v tej inkarnaciji.
Ampak v drugi dimenziji, ne?
Ja, v astralnem svetu, in astral world, for example.
Logical. It goes without saying.
Ja, to je logično in o tem ni treba niti posebej govoriti.
Because it is a waste of time. Instead of bearing the thing,
Izguba časa, namesto da bi nekdo prenesel tisto stvar
keeping the possibility of solving the problem,
in vzdrževal možnost, iskal možnost rešitve
the
problema.
person wasted his time,
Ta
just
oseba zapravi ta čas,
stop it,
ga
and then the problem remains unsolved. He has to
problem
solve
ostane
it another
nerešen
time.
in ga je treba rešiti enkrat drugič.
Not necessarily the exact conditions, but very similar.
Ne nujno v popolnoma istih pogojih, vendar v podobnih.
Is it okay for you?
Znaš to, se vprašam, a to pomeni tudi za tiste, naprej, ko so praktički na pomrti, da bi rakasti bolniki, in ko prosijo za pomoč, da jih olajša življenje, smrti, vse to pomeni, da tudi oni na ta način sami sebi delajo škodo dolgoročno, ker dejansko tudi bo rečeno, to je del karme, to je naša izkušnja, da gremo skozi to, ne. In če na drugi olajšamo, mislim, če nam drugi pomaga, da si skrajšamo življenje, pomeni, da si tudi dejansko sami sebi delamo škodo na ta način.
Kdo si dela škoda?
Tisti, ki bolnik sam.
O tem je sicer že govorila. So, if person is terminally ill and wants and asks others to relieve him, is there a karma for that, for this person?
Everything is karma.
Vse je karma.
You don't have a case which is not a karma.
Ni primera, v kateri karme ni.
Now, there is a case cited in spiritual literature that they mention
Obstaja primer v medicinski literaturi,
that karma without karma, meaning that you act without the consequence of it.
Delovanje, ki ne potegne za sabo karma, karma brez karme.
It is when there is no motivation.
To je takrat v primeru, ko ni motivacije, ko ne obstaja motivacija za dejanje.
The person who acts is no longer a person. It is empty of the ego.
Pravi, oseba, ki tako deluje, ni več oseba in nima več tega malega jaza osebnosti. Ega, ja.
But let us know that it exists, but it is very rare.
To je nam da vedeti, da obstaja, ampak je to zelo redko.
Is it all right for you, sir? Sir, it is okay?
Senja, nekaj.
Yes. This person?
I should like to know what you think in a case of dead-born baby.
Same.
Vprašanje je bilo za mrtvorojene otroke. Isto. So in that case, is this the karma of the baby or the karma of the mother? Of the both probably.
You cannot separate one karma.
Yeah,
We're all
sure.
linked together.
Yeah.
Mogoče bi jaz povedala mojo izkušnjo izpred 2 dneh, malo hecno izkušnjo sem imela, dobila sem alergični napad.
Če želiš, da prevajam stavek po stavek. She would like to share an experience. Koliko 2 dni, 3 dni? 3 days ago he got an allergic reaction.
Prvič v življenju se mi je zgodilo,
For the first time in her life,
da sem bila sredi ceste,
she was in the middle of the road.
začela sem kašljati.
She started to cough.
Vedela sem, da imam alergijski napad,
She knew she has an allergic reaction,
vendar nekako nisem znala odreagirati.
but somehow she didn't know how to react.
Šlo je toliko daleč, da sem izgubila se pravi dostop do kisika.
So she almost lost. She was not able to breathe.
Ja. Kar naenkrat sem se zavedla, da ne morem poklicati nikogar,
And she became aware suddenly that she cannot even call anyone
ker nisem imela glasu.
because she was without voice.
Dvignila sem roke
So she lifted her arms,
in sem enega fanta, ki sem ga še videla,
and a boy whom she saw,
ki tam je kolo parkiral,
who was parking the bicycle there,
sem ga vabila k sebi in kazala, naj me tolče.
and she invited him and showed him she wanted her to hit her, to start.
Fant me ni takoj odreagiral,
He didn't react at that moment
ker nisem imela glasu.
because she was not able to tell him what is wrong.
V naslednjem trenutku sem imela v glavi, kaj je zdaj to, ali je to konec.
In the next moment, the thought appeared, what is this? Is this the end?
Prva misel, ki mi je prišla na glavo,
First thought that appeared in her mind,
nisem še vsega postorila.
I have not finished everything in my life.
V naslednjem trenutku sem padla v temo.
And in the very next moment, she fell into darkness.
Pobrali so me 3 osebe, še 2 dekleti iz bližnje trgovine.
So 3 people picked her up.
In govorile naj diham počasi.
And they kept telling her, breathe, breathe, slowly breathe.
Prvo, kar je bilo v mojem zavedanju, kako naj diham, če ne morem dihati.
And there was a thought, of course, how can I breathe if I can't breathe?
Kasneje, ko sem govorila z zdravnico, so mi povedali, da je prišlo do nekega flok edema, ki nastane lahko ob alergijski reakciji.
So later, a doctor told her that there was a reaction typical for allergies called fluctedema, something like that.
Povedali so mi, da kolabiranje bi bilo pravzaprav rešitev, odgovor telesa.
That this collapse was the response of the body.
Začela sem počasi dihati, spila 2 kozarca tople vode.
So she started to breathe slowly, she drank 2 glasses of water.
In moje telo se je obnašalo, kot da nič ni bilo.
And her body suddenly behaved as nothing has ever happened.
Ne vem, kaj je nenadna smrt, ampak ta moment sem razmišljala, ali je to konec, ampak prva misel je bila, nisem še dokončala.
Okay. I don't know exactly what sudden death is, but at that moment the thought that appeared to her was, I haven't yet done everything on this earth that I should.
Ker sem mlada vdovela, bila sem noseča.
Because I became a widow as a young, and she was pregnant at that time.
Lahko po 18 letih zagotovim,
I can assure you, after 18 years,
da nenadna smrt partnerja
that sudden death of a partner
mogoče takrat pomeni tragedijo.
Maybe means a tragedy then.
Zato, ker so nas tako na Zahodu naučili.
Because this is the way we are taught in the Western culture.
Morda so nas naučili razumeti smrt starejših.
Maybe they taught us how to understand and accept the death of older people.
Niso pa nas pripravili, kako je, ko ti umre partner ali nekdo, ki je tvojih let.
But we were not prepared how it feels when a partner dies or somebody young.
Če govorim o ljubezni,
if I speak about love,
lahko rečem, da ljubezen nikoli ne umre.
I can say that love never dies.
Ne v smislu, da se vežeš na tega partnerja.
Not in the sense of being attached to that partner.
Ampak lahko se spominjaš vseh lepih trenutkov.
But you can remember all the beautiful moments.
In te trenutki te spodbujajo, da delaš dobro v življenju.
And these moments give you incentive to do good in your life.
Od tebe pa je odvisno, ali boš privezan s tem partnerjem še vedno.
And it depends on you if you are going to be attached to that partner still.
Ali pa to spustiš in živiš naprej.
Or you leave it and let it go and live further your life.
So let us move on. Questions?
Torej, gremo naprej.
Yes.
I will
Thank
now
you.
ask something totally different because I think we need to move to some more energetic vibe and something that is...
Go ahead.
Yes.
Don't explain before. Go ahead.
Well, it is really here and now. In Slovenia we have now a specific challenge. It is like it involves all of us actually because
Down there.
because in only last 5 days Slovenia embraced so many refugees that it is...
I am not spared for that question.
Yes, but the question is that there are many good, benevolent people who believe in that also other who is in need is good, and we want to offer everything to that other. But now I think also soon will come the time to be very attentive, to be very sensitive for that question, because we need to also protect ourselves.
What do you want me to say to you?
I would just like to ask you, for example, for me personally, I think that it is time to do something, as you said.
Well, when I say to do something,
No,
it is
no.
for you.
Yes, for me personally, I think that there already is a need where I live to do something in the way of public initiative and like this. I think we need to be responsive and responsible and like.
Lepo prosim, zelo na kratko v slovenščini.
Ja, zelo na kratko.
Zelo na kratko.
Jaz sem pač hotela neko tako temo, ki je bila precej žalostna, pa tako smo bili vsi že malo žalostni. Sem želela pač nekaj izpostaviti, kar je pa zdaj trenutno primer in nas vse zadeva, to je pač ta težava z begunci. Jaz prihajam iz Maribora, na Šentilju je zelo hudo, na televiziji ne pokažejo vsega, 50 000 ljudi, za Slovenijo je že zelo veliko, vsak dan jih vstopi, zdaj je po teh podatkih 10 000, sama čutim, da je potreba, da se neka iniciativa tudi izpostavi. Težko mi je, ker težko je varovati svoj nek notranji mir, ampak potem se tako podati na tako pot, ampak mislim, da je cela naša dežela pred velikim izzivom. How to be responsive in right way and protect your inner peace when there is something outside that obviously also needs an action and
I give you an answer,
yes.
but it is not definite answer, you have to work on it.
Dam ti odgovor, ampak to ni dokončni odgovor in moraš delati na njem.
Any action needs a harmonization of
Vsaka akcija potrebuje harmonizacijo,
compassion and discernment.
Sočutje in razločevanje.
So, this is my answer.
To je moj odgovor.
You apply it and you find out.
Uporabi ga in ugotovi sama.
I have another question.
Yes, go ahead.
Sometimes people are implied to, because of the feeling of caring for another person, they want to lessen the burden for another person, or they want to, like save the other person from some experience because they want to, because they care for them. Huh? What is your opinion on that situation? So is it a correct approach to try to lessen burdens of others because we care for them, or the other option is that everybody is responsible for their own life? So
What do you think?
Na kratko v slovenščini.
Yeah, you translate first. He translates.
Torej, vprašanje je, kakšno mnenje ima o tem, pač na podlagi tega, da imamo nekoga radi, recimo včasih poskušamo tej osebi olajšati kako stvar ali pa prihraniti kako stvar, se pravi poskušamo, recimo, če tako povem, karmo, vplivati na karmo ali pa vplivati na življenje neke druge osebe, zato ker pač jo imamo radi, ne? Me zanima, kakšno je njeno mnenje o tem. Zdaj ona me sprašuje, kaj jaz mislim.
So what he explained what his question was, but you asked, what do you think?
Well, my personal opinion is that as much as is possible for us, of course, we help each other, but I think it is very important to have this discrimination, to understand to what extent is it my story and where my story is not my story anymore.
Exactly.
Yes.
Discernment means that you understand the thing.
Razločevanje pomeni, da razumeš stvari,
Situation
situacijo
with precise seeing and observation.
z natančnim videnjem in opazovanjem.
Compassion is that beyond all the analysis,
Sočutje je, da izza vseh analiz
you feel that human beings
čutiš,
have to be mutually helped.
da morajo biti ljudje vzajemno,
Da bi treba pomagati,
Ja,
da si morajo pomagati.
da si morajo vzajemno pomagati.
One has to combine it and act. This is why I cannot answer the question in the details.
Zato,
But the general lines is that to combine that.
se pravi,
And
to
then
je,
you apply it in your own proportion.
to je po,
In your
to je,
own proportion, that's important, that's really important. No, because in the case of refugees,
No,
it
please,
went out of our proportions.
dear, Madam,
nismo v
leave
debati,
the person to translate.
nismo v debati, lepo prosim.
Please leave her to translate what I have said already. Don't react, because people are confused when you jump in. Go ahead.
In the meantime, I forgot what you said. Sorry, my concentration is
Pač
down there.
rekla, da je pomembno, da kombiniramo to sočutje za druge, pa na drugi strani seveda razločevanje, oziroma da potrebujemo razločevanje za to, da ocenimo, koliko narediti, pa kje se konča tista...
Da mora vsaka oseba tudi za sebe to odkriti, ker generalizacije so samo možne do določene mere.
This is why I cannot answer in the details.
Zaradi tega ne more odgovoriti v podrobnosti.
Because you are responsible for your own acts.
Ker si odgovoren za svoje dejanja.
I don't want to share this karma.
Te karme si ne želim deliti s tabo.
My karma is limited in this advice. Try to combine
moja
compassion and discernment.
Se pravi, moja karma se zaključuje s tem, da ti rečem, poskušaj razločevati, poskušaj kombinirati compassion, sočutje in pa razločevanje.
And the rest is yours.
In ostalo je na tebi.
Še eno vprašanje. Povezava med karmo in dharmo.
Connection between karma
Dharma
and
and dharma.
Yes.
Dharma is the law.
Dharma je zakon.
The order of the universe.
To je red v univerzu.
And karma is inside this law, meaning that
karma je
dharma
znotraj
in the universal scale is the order of the universe. And karma also acts in this way, in this direction.
Karma pa obstaja znotraj tega zakona in deluje v to smer.
By settling back the equilibrium and the balance.
Tako da ponovno vzpostavi ravnovesje.
Now on the individual level,
na nivoju posameznika,
one has to try to change our own karma, meaning changing the destiny.
Mora človek, posameznik, delati na tem, da spremeni svojo usodo in svojo karmo.
Without purifying to a certain extent the past karma.
Without purifying?
Yes.
Brez tega, da se pretekla karma prečisti.
One cannot discover one's own destiny, which is dharma.
Brez tega prečiščenja ne more oseba odkriti, kaj je njegova dharma.
Okay?
Thank you.
Something else? So, I'm going to say a few things more, and then we can end the session without questions.
Rekla bom še par stvari, potem lahko zaključimo današnje predavanje brez vprašanj potem. Okay.
We talk about habits.
You are cold?
It is too cold?
Mogoče ne čisto malo.
We have dealt with habits.
We have
dealt with habits.
Ja, ukvarjali smo se z navadami,
character,
značajem,
destiny
in usodo.
But in our habits,
pri naših navadah
we should learn
bi se morali naučiti,
what comes really from the physiological side and what comes from the psychological side.
Kaj pri njih prihaja iz fiziološke strani in kaj iz psihološke strani.
Very often they are bound together.
Pogosto sta te dve stvari povezani.
I check again the example of coffee.
Vračam se k primeru kave.
First there is a dependence on physiological level.
Najprej obstaja ta odvisnost na fiziološkem
You
nivoju.
absorb a quantity of coffee and you have a boost in the brain.
Uživaš določeno količino kave in imaš, ti poživi možgane.
Psychologically,
Psihološko pa
we register that
to registriramo
as pleasure
kot užitek.
out of repetition.
Zaradi ponavljanja pitja kave.
The same for people who are aggressive,
Podobno je z ljudmi, ki so agresivni,
greedy.
pohlepni,
They have a kind of habit to repeat.
tudi oni imajo to navado ponavljanja.
And there is a center in the brain.
Obstaja center v možganih,
This is hosting all those behavior.
ki v bistvu hosting, ki
Parazitira.
gosti ta obnašanja, kjer se ta obnašanja zbirajo.
Aggressivity,
Ta agresivnost,
greed,
pohlep,
anger,
jeza
etc., all the negativity of our character.
in vse te različne negativnosti našega značaja.
The neuroscientists discovered that there is a kind of organ or very small organ gland which regulate those kind of habits.
Znanstveniki so ugotovili, da obstaja majhen organ v možganih, ki ureja
This is,
te navade.
I can show to you very slightly. This is our brain.
To je slika možganov.
See that way, this is the nose here. And then in the brain, you have left hand side and right.
V
And
možganih imamo levo in desno polovico
And they are bound together by a structure called corpus callosum. It is in the middle.
povezani sta z corpus callosum, skupaj, med sabo.
Here is the cerebellum, meaning all the vague structure. There is no structure. It
Tam
is
je
very
cerebellum,
vague, yes.
ja.
And now inside the brain you have this gland.
Znotraj je tudi tale žleza,
It is called amygdalus.
ki se imenuje amigdala.
You can try amygdala.
Amigdala, we call it
Yeah,
amigdala.
amygdala. It is there.
Yes.
So this gland
Ta
is
žleza
the support of all negative habits.
podpira vse negativne navade.
It is not the cause of habits.
Ni vzrok leteh,
You are the habit. But it is. Otherwise you say, this is just a gland.
vi imate te navade,
Yeah?
ampak
So it helped the habits through a set of hormones to
s hormoni
get
podpirate
the people
navade,
aggressive, greedy, angry.
da ljudje ostajajo
All the
jezni, pohlepni.
Now, neuroscientists discovered that when you are calm,
Nevroznanstveniki so ugotovili, da takrat, ko ste mirni,
relaxed,
sproščeni
and if possible at all,
in če
if you
sploh
meditate,
mogoče, da tudi meditirate,
not sleepy, but
da
meditate
ne spite, ampak
for a long time,
meditirate,
you can
dalj
earn
časa,
something. That this amygdala will slow down in activity,
se lahko ta amigdala upočasni svoje delovanje
and the other two glands, which is the epiphyse and hypophyse,
in
will
drugi
grow in activity.
in zaradi tega bosta drugi dve žlezi, epifiza in hipofiza, mislim, da je češerika,
This is the results.
bosta namesto tega rasli.
This is the result of recent discovery of neuroscientists.
To je ena od zadnjih nevroznanstvenikov.
We should not make this mistake to think that the mind is the brain.
Ne smemo narediti te napake, da bi mislili, da bi enačili z možgani.
The brain is above the brain.
The mind is above. Mind is above the brain.
Yes.
Se pravi, je več kot možgani.
And
Je
the
nad
brain
možgani.
is just a support to express
Možgani so pa samo,
the activity of the brain.
Podpora, da se izrazi delovanje.
If we believe that the brain is the mind, then we are just materialistic.
Če mislimo, da so možgani tudi potem smo izključno materialistični.
So it is quite different. The brain is not the mind.
Se pravi, prav nasprotno je, možgani niso
but by action of the mind,
vendar z actions, z delovanjem uma,
we can change all the functioning of the glands and the brain.
Lahko spremenimo delovanje možgan in delovanje žlez.
Yesterday there was a question about how can we act.
Včeraj je bilo vprašanje, kako delovati.
We have just the mind.
When?
Because we have just the mind, and the mind.
Ker imamo samo
And my answer was the mind acts on the mind.
Zato, ker deluje na samo
lahko točno, to smo včeraj debatirali. Zato, ker samo deluje na nivoju uma, možgani ne.
It is like diamond, cutting diamond.
To je kot rezanje z diamantom. Diamanta z diamantom.
And by this action we can transform the mind, and by transforming the mind we transform the brain, and not the reverse.
S tem transformiramo in s transformiranjem uma transformiramo možgane in ne obratno.
It is important, I want just to pass by to say it, because of the development of neuroscience.
Samo omenila bi rada, da zaradi tega razvoja pri neuroznanosti
people have a tendency to turn back to materialism.
Imajo ljudje tendenco, da se vračajo k materializmu.
And if you think that the brain is the mind, then you can inject whatever to get the mind transformed, and that nothing transformed in fact.
Lahko mislim, da govorijo o teh drogah, ne pa.
Ja, ne pač govori o tem, da če na ta način razmišljamo, potem lahko pač razmišljamo, da lahko zdaj nekomu brizgamo neko snov in bo zdaj pač se vse spremenilo, ampak v resnici se ne bo spremenilo.
Do you get my point? It is just one point. It is not very important. The importance is that don't believe that the brain is the mind. So that the tendency towards materialism is coming back, saying that here is your brain, here is this, but
ta tendenca, da gremo nazaj k materializmu, se pojavlja, ampak ne tega verjeti, kajti niso možgani.
Is it clear?
Yes. I hope so.
Now, we are all concerned with our karma.
Vse nas skrbi naša karma.
Sometimes we are so concerned by our own karma that we turn out to be egocentric.
Včasih nas to tako skrbi, da postanemo egocentrični.
My karma,
moja karma,
my experience,
moja izkustva,
my this, my that,
moje to, moje ono,
me.
Jaz.
It is not the way we should act to understand karma.
To ni način, da bi zares razumeli karmo.
Remember that yesterday I said that karma can be understood in some extent.
Včeraj sem že rekla, da je karmo mogoče razumeti do neke mere.
When an individual is successful to live out to some extent his personal ego.
Če je posameznik sposoben do neke mere izločiti svoj ego.
Live it out
da ga
to the extent of possibility.
Do take mere možnosti.
There is no bad or no good karma.
Da se zaveda, da ni dobre pa slabe karme.
Events in life are there to teach us.
Da so dogodki v življenju namenjeni temu, da nas nekaj
more
naučijo,
understanding,
da namenjeni razumevanju,
in order to earn discernment,
da bi se naučili razločevanja,
compassion,
sočutja,
and then we have to manage with what we have earned as understanding to go in life.
in da nam uspe vzeti to, kar smo si zaslužili v življenju. A sem prav povedala? Okay.
To get understanding,
Da pridobimo razumevanje,
one has to be paused.
Se mora nekdo to stop, has to
To
stop.
be paused,
Se mora umiriti, okay.
calm.
Calmed, okay.
To
Se
watch
mora umiriti.
and to be calm, one has to watch oneself,
Mora se opazovati,
how emotions work on oneself.
kako v njem delujejo čustva,
No quick conclusion,
da ne sklepa prehitro,
because it is also it is the action of the hormones.
ker je to tudi posledica delovanja hormonov.
The hormones of the serenal capsules above the kidney.
Teh adrenalin, teh
Wanting to act quickly.
nadledvičnih žlez.
Yeah.
Delovanje
And
nadledvičnih žlez.
watch it. Watch all what is happening.
Se pravi, opazovati pri sebi in v sebi, kaj se dogaja.
Try to get understanding and get the meaning of life
Poskusiti razumeti in dojeti pomen življenja,
behind the events,
ki je izza dogodkov,
if possible at all.
če je to možno,
Do not take events personally,
ne jemati teh dogodkov preveč osebno.
even those we have lived on the personal level.
Čeprav smo jih doživeli na osebnem nivoju.
Drop them,
Spustite jih.
drop them. Once an experience lived,
Ko je enkrat doživetje doživljeno,
remember the story of this woman of 85 still wearing black clothes for
in se
the death of her husband.
spomnite o 85 let stare gospe, ki je toliko in toliko let žalovala za svojim možem.
It is equivalent to a suicide of herself.
To je ekvivalent samomoru.
So move on in life,
Torej, gremo v življenju naprej
and to summarize,
in naredimo povzetek.
I will quote one of the Buddha's sentence.
Kot povzetek bom citirala enega od Budinih stavkov.
If you want to understand what you are now,
Če želite razumeti to, kar ste zdaj,
look into the past. It is from past action.
poglejte v preteklost, kajti to ste zaradi preteklih
What you are,
dogodkov,
meaning inside.
kar ste znotraj.
If you want to know your future,
Če želite vedeti za svojo prihodnost,
look at what you are doing now.
poglejte to, kar zdaj delate.
To summarize it in one sentence, the dynamic of karma.
To je povzetek dinamike karme v enem stavku.
So let us pause a little bit. And yes, and if you are interested to have the following up of this, then come in Ljubljana on Monday at 6 o'clock.
tem bomo končali. Če želite nadaljevanje tega, o čemer smo se pogovarjali danes, vas vabimo v Ljubljano jutri ob 6. Pardon, v ponedeljek.
The subject will be solving the human problems.
Predmet bo reševanje problemov človeštva
and moving beyond.
In pa kako naprej, kako izza tega.
And the place will be explained by Tatiana.
Yes.
And then I wish to see you all on Monday. Thank you for
Pravi.
your attention.
Hvala.